Good morning, everyone. This is a good Tuesday morning with all fillers planned today. Both plugs are spinning. We got the 36 over here, the 45, and Rui G with the welding. We've got our Super Thomas.
Morning, guys. Look at those welds, eh? Alright, they're just gonna set their starter. So we took apart the LV45 because we got to change the lower crowd cable today. We're just waiting for the cable to arrive, but all the components are off. The lower crowd cable is the one that goes from the bottom through the bottom sheave of the sled. So it's gonna be fun changing that one. This whole wall is done. Same with that wall, it's all done. So now we store our beams here, keep it out of the way. Got our different type of tooling. This is a cross cutter core barrel. As you can see, it's got the teeth in the middle as well. This is your standard core barrel. As you can see, it's open in the middle. That one's got the teeth in the middle as well. This is our bailing bucket right here. This is just to take out water. And then that's a drilling bucket. That'll take out dirt mixed with water. And then that's our pulling plate. That's to help pull liner out of the ground if it's either very stuck or on deep holes. You definitely need that. Alright, our steel deliveries here. Got some plates and flat bar to make the double pile. Hey Kyle, we might have to do this with the crane.
What's ours?
2 plates and a flat bar.
Okay.
They're probably in your box, right? I'll grab them.
That's why it's like, where are you going? Cost to fucking just buy them by the thousands of pounds.
Oh, I locked it. My bad.
Oh, there's nothing in there.
It's just the paint. The paint's sticky still.
Brand new. Oh God, here's Magic Mike. Well, anywhere over there. I'll put it on some lagging over there for Rui. He's gonna work on this tomorrow. Huh? There you are.
I just came out for this.
What, are you sleeping?
No, I was waiting on Wooden to give me a confirmation on the truck.
Yeah, they had 3 drivers calling sick. Watch your back.
Keep pushing.
Can you get it or not? Okay, hold on. Come back a bit. Hey, wait. Not even that heavy. We got a good angle. Hold it out a bit. Okay, hold it there. Okay, he's got them.
Go to the second one.
On the strap. Oh, I think you're on the strap. Yep. There you go. cable out. We're using the mini.
How long is it?
I don't know, it's pretty long. Alright, we'll get this guy out of here. Go that way. Perfect. Have a good day. All right. So we're gonna show you how Mike takes out damaged teeth. First, he lines up with the hole. Oh yeah. Actually, that end works nice, eh? Because it doesn't get jammed in there.
Want me to front end for it?
Alright, just gonna find their next hole.
So this is the double pile here,
Yeah,
right?
this is the 40C. Yeah, the double pile's right on the edge here.
Right.
So C is right here.
C's there.
Is that CA you did?
Yeah.
B, C, yeah. So that'll be for one of your starters, yeah. Hey, did we test the water? Okay, no, drill it out. Hey, Mike.
You want me to hold that?
Yeah, if you don't mind, actually, sure. Thank you. Appreciate it. Even if you're a little this way, you're fine. That looks nice. Look at that.
helt annorlunda värld. Det blir aldrig en likadant.